valedictorian. This is a student who excels academically and stands out as a leader, participates in extracurricular activities, and really exhibits a strong personal character. And most of all, they demonstrate consistent academic excellence across all subject areas. For salutatorian, this is a student who, like the valedictorian, has achieved high academic success, is the second highest in the fifth grade class, excels academically, involved in school activities, and also demonstrates leadership. These are students who are role models for the rest of our students in our school, and we're proud that this year we're able to recognize these two particular students. And when I call their name, we ask that they come up. For valedictorian for the class of 2024, we are proud to announce Ayat Sikder.
Go, girl.
And for salutatorian, I am proud to announce Gabriela Peña Chico.
Bien, Gaby.
During the graduation ceremony, where they'll be able to represent the senior class and give a speech of encouragement to their fellow graduates. Boys and girls, as I said in the beginning, we are all so very proud of you, and it's been a long journey. You know, no school year is ever easy. It's full of challenges, it's full of highs, it's full of lows, but what's important is that you always put your best foot forward and you're always working to be the best version of yourself. And as we come to the close of this year, we want to know that the work doesn't end. The learning does not end. It continues on. It continues through the summer, it continues into middle school, high school, college, into adulthood. So you always have to make sure that you're ready and willing to put in the work, because nothing comes to you easily. Graduating fifth grade does not come to you easily. Never forget that in order to achieve your goals, you have to ensure that you are ready to ask the questions, to do the research, to know when I just don't know right now and I need someone's help and support, because there will always be people that are willing to help you and support you, as your parents did to help you get here today. So before we close out, please give your parents a round of applause. Make sure that you thank them for all that they've done to support you over the years and all that they're going to continue to do. All right? I'd like to thank you parents for coming today. I'd like to thank our fifth grade teachers, Ms. Frey, Ms. Lascar, Ms. Masad, Ms. Esposito, Ms. Taramina, Ms. Charis, Mr. Chandler, our paraprofessionals, Ms. Bobbitt, Ms. Buckman, Ms. Galarza, Ms. Kaur, Ms. Joffrey, Ms. Barsoon, and all of our support staff that is here. And Ms. Martin. See, that's why we're looking in the audience. We're trying to listen. But thank you to everyone for just banding together and making this year what it was for our students. And we look forward to the big day on June 24th. Parents, if you wish to sign your child out, we don't encourage it, but if you wish to sign your child out, please make sure when you see the teacher, they have the sheet. If not, they stay and they continue working, and that is A-OK. All right? Boys and girls, thank you. Make sure you congratulate your friends. Do not walk off without